thank you all. I'm also grateful for you guys, big time, because it would have been a lot easier for me to relapse had I've not filmed this journey. Hi, I'm Harry, and this is day 59 of taking an ice bath every single day to help my mental health, help me stay clean and sober, living free from active addiction. Let's get it. Ow. It's fucking whipped me in the back. It's whipped me in the back. The toggle got me right in the back. Oh, I stand like that. Oh my god, it hit me in the back. We are at 4.9. Fucking hell, why is it flashing? We are at 4.9 degrees. Ice cubes are in. Morning. Oh, yes. Good morning. Woo! Day 59, baby. Woo! Oh, it feels good to be in here this afternoon. It is literally 20 past 1 in the afternoon, and I've done sweet FA all day. I've literally been in bed all morning watching Vikings and eating biscuits. Oh man, I feel refreshed. I don't know if it was getting in here or just having a. Oh, I don't know if it's getting in here or if it's just having a lazy morning or what, but I feel good. I feel good. Oh man. Today I want to talk about gratitude. Someone in the comments yesterday, I'm really sorry, but I can't remember who said it. I've been trying to think all morning who it was who said it. Yes, gratitude. That's what I'd like to talk about rather today. And what I would like from you guys as well, once I've said what I'm grateful for, is to comment what you're grateful for and just see how difficult it is, because it's very difficult sometimes. It's very difficult to sometimes put your finger on what you're grateful for. And it can't be. I used to do a gratitude list actually when I came out of treatment. I did a gratitude list every day, and I've slacked. I did a gratitude list every day when I come out of rehab, and I'm slacking now. I haven't done one for a long time. So what we're going to do today is 5 things we're grateful for, and I'd like you to try and attempt. If you can't do 5, just do 3 or just do 1 or 2. I'd like you to type in the comments what you're grateful for. So I'll go first. I am grateful for being clean. I am very grateful that I've been able to stay clean, and I'm very grateful that I'm clean today, and that I've had the willpower to do so. 2, I'm grateful for being in a position where I'm able to educate and share my experience and help others via my videos and just in general day-to-day life. I guess I do help a lot of people. I go out of my way. Yeah, I'm a little bit codependent. One of the behaviors of codependency is to offer help to people that don't ask for it, basically. So I've got one of those traits there. I don't think I'm codependent. So yeah, I'm grateful for being able to do that. 3, I'm grateful today that my dad is happier. I'm grateful that he's not as stressed as he was due to my using and due to the constant demand of money, the constant messages, the constant phone calls. Oh, Dad, I got to pay this. Dad, I got to pay that. Please can you lend me this? Please can you lend me that? I'm grateful that he is in better health mentally and probably physically because of me getting clean. Off the back of me getting clean, that's happened. 4, I am grateful for my driving license. Wow. Yesterday, I got a letter. So let me just give you an insight into this, yeah? Let me just tell you a little story. About 7 years ago, I went to the doctors for help. I was fucked, and I really needed help. And I said to the doctor, "Please, can you help me?" And their first question was, "How did you get here today?" And silly me, I said, "I drove. Why?" But I didn't say it like that. I probably said something like, "I drove. Why?" And they felt they had a duty of care to report me to DVLA. And 2 weeks later, I got a letter through the door saying my driving license had been revoked. And then lockdown happened, and yeah, I went without for a little while. Probably drove a couple of times when I shouldn't have. I ended up having to employ someone to drive me. When I had my business, I actually employed a friend of mine to drive me around. I was paying him £50 a day just to drive me to my appointments. And that was all right because that enabled me to be able to get fucked because I didn't have to drive. I had someone to drive for me. So silly, but it is what it is. It took me 3 years going back and forward with DVLA to get my license back. And 2 years ago, they gave it back on a 1 year medical kind of condition, if you like. So every 12 months, I had to do a blood test and I had to do a drug test. Cut a long story short, I had a driving license for 12 months and every year I had to renew it. I had another medical recently and I went to it and I ticked all the boxes and the blood tests come back and the urine tests come back. And yesterday, my license came through the door and it's a 9 year license. And I've worked hard for that. I should never have lost it in the first place, but fuck, that's a good feeling. That is a good feeling. Getting my license back for the full term, not for just 12 months this time. You're proud of me, aren't you, Sturdy? Yeah, you are. So I'm grateful for my driving license coming through the post yesterday. That's number 4, isn't it? And number 5, I'm grateful for having a loving woman who stuck by me and put up with a lot of shit and stuck in there until the miracle happened, which I believe has now happened. There's no turning back for me. I pick up a new keyring tomorrow, 60 days. 60 whole days without a drop of alcohol, without a single line of coke, without a single bet, without acting out, living and enjoying life, being clean and serene. Literally the definition of clean and serene. I'm literally the definition of clean and serene right now, and I'm fucking proud of that. I really am. So that's my 5 things that I'm grateful for. It's not that easy, you know, but yeah. Wow, getting my license back for the full period this time. I don't have to fuck about again in a year's time. I got a full license. There's no attachments. There's no conditions. I'm proud of that. This is all happening because I'm staying clean. It's all happening because I am putting one foot in front of the other and saying no today to using. I'm not doing it. I'm not going to relapse. I'm not going to use today. I'm not going to just have a beer because I'm cured. You know, I've done a few days now. Got 60 days. Come on, let's have a little celebratory drink. No, I'm not doing it. I'm not fucking doing it. No, Harry. No, thank you. I'm not doing it. Trip me up all you want, mate, but yeah, I'll just fucking army roll out of it. I'm not doing it. Absolutely not. No way. Not a chance. Not today. I sit here today very proud of what I've achieved over the last 59 days. And thank you all. I'm also grateful for you guys, big time, because it would have been a lot easier for me to relapse had I've not filmed this journey, had I've not accumulated, 20,000 followers in 2 months. Had that not have happened, I don't know where I'd be. So thank you all. You all deserve a pat on the back. Day 60 tomorrow. We got a special video for you guys lined up. We have got a special location, a special day, and we've also got a special duck. We've got the arrival of day 60, courtesy of Hannah. Hannah, who wanted to send me 100 ducks, agreed to just send me one. Thank you, Hannah. And tomorrow we get to unbox it. And then you guys are, of course, going to be able to name it. I look forward to seeing what you come up with. Anyway, come on, let me hear your gratitude list. What are you grateful for today? What are you grateful for? Because being grateful, and it is so important being grateful, because yes, we've all got goals and we all want what we haven't got, and yeah, it's lovely to have this and have that and all these materialistic things, but when you sometimes you've got to be careful you don't look too far into the future, because you forget about the present, you forget about the now, you forget about what you've got. And I'm very guilty of that. I am guilty of that. I'm very quick to go, oh yeah, but I ain't got this, I ain't got that. Oh. I want that. I want that. Look what I've got. I've got a fucking £700 ice bath with a chiller, for fuck's sake. Grateful for what I've got today in my life. So, yeah, let me know what you're grateful for. Have a good think and comment with what you're grateful for. And I'll read through them in a bit. And yeah, I look forward to it. Anyway, we're going under. That couldn't have gone any worse. That couldn't have gone any worse, could it? Woo! Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the follow button, and I'll see you in the morning. Bosh! Let's get it. Oh, pardon me. That's gross.